What's up, everybody? Just got to the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and get to the first client. It is 8 a.m. and let's see what this day brings. Let's get it. So I was on my way to work and I drove by the gas station, decided to pick up this dude. He was out there with a cardboard box, freezing his tail off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get him right, get him back to that box. So this is what we're looking like right here. My boy's trying to grow his beard in. Hopefully he hits a growth spurt soon too. Nice and blurry. Shout out to my client, Jesse. He'll be thrown in the vlog. How long have you been your barber?
Shit, what has it been, 5 years?
5 years. 5 years. This boy trusted me when I was in school, not doing nothing, couldn't cut hair.
When you cut hair.
And then, man, we experimented so much with this haircuts. And I'm gonna have to show y'all what I did to this. He has a bald spot, but I tried to do a design and it did not turn out well. Looked like a Viking helmet. But we done came up. We're doing bigger, better things now.
Yes, sir.
My apron's stuck right here. There we go. Alrighty. Here is the before. And then I'll let y'all see the after when we get to the cut. What's good, everybody? Very, very busy day. Sorry for not vlogging much, but we got Sergio Jaime with the fresh fade, aka just Jaime. No, too much sauce. We really couldn't think of a nickname for you. Do you have a nickname? No?
What does your family call you?
Yeah.
It's Jaime, man.
Just Jaime.
I mean, when I was little, they called me a Jaimito, but you know, Jaime. I don't really have a name.
AKA Ivan.
AKA Ivan.
Bro.
Jamie, James.
So
Hyman.
what is that? He said Hyman.
He said Ivan.
Ivan.
So was it the other day? The client came in, he's like, "Are you Ivan?" And Jaime's like, "Yeah, I'm Ivan."
He said yeah?
I said, yeah. Bro, I get called so many names.
That's a good score right there, bro.
Jaime, Jamie, Jimmy, James.
Yeah,
Hyman.
I could understand a barber not
Ivan.
remembering somebody's name, But I really can't understand like a client not knowing what barber they're going to. You know what I mean? Because I don't remember all my clients' names. No. I'm not gonna put that out there like that. I don't always remember new clients, but I do remember all my clients. So if you're my client, I do remember your name.
Especially because on the Booksy app, it says
Oh yeah, the Booksy app says that. Well, before the Booksy, you know, I remember when I was writing down my appointments all with in my notes on my phone. Man, that seems like a long time ago. But if you're a barber and you're not on some type of booking app, you're doing it wrong. I understand that. No shade to this guy, but I'm just saying it helps out a lot. It's beneficial. It helps you to build a lot more clientele. People can search you and find you easily. So, for instance, a lot of these nurses that are here in town for the COVID stuff, I gained a lot of clientele just by being on Booksy. So people like from random cities can come to your city, look through your portfolio, look through your haircuts and with all your services and whatnot. I have Booksy, you have Square.
Yeah, but I'm gonna switch to Booksy next year.
You about to come to Booksy. A lot of people say Booksy or what? Booksy. Yeah, Booksy. I got the Booksy.
Yes.
But so go get yourself a booking app if you want to build your clientele a lot more. Stay organized. Also, you can send like mass messages to like a lot of your clients, like of like any important information that you may have for them. This isn't sponsored. I'm not getting paid by Booksy to tell you this. This is just personal information.
if you don't want to grow your clientele, just keep hitting them prayers and pray they fall from the sky like
Say
some
from the beginning, but what?
I said if you don't want to grow your clientele, just stick to them prayers and hope that they fall from the sky, you know?
You think that'll work?
Probably not.
So closed mouths don't get fed. So like he said, if you don't want to grow your clientele, don't put no bait out there into the pond or the metaphorical lake that you're fishing in. So this is just a rant I'm gonna go off on. You cannot go fishing without bait and expect to catch anything. I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but it's very, 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 very unlikely that you're gonna go catch a big tank with nothing on the hook.
And I like it, dog.
No, you're not.
Really bad.
You're gonna sit on the side of the lake all day, just skipping rocks and just not getting nothing. So make sure you're promoting. Make sure you're putting yourself out there and show your work off.
Or else, or you're just gonna be sitting duck, all triste, aka sad, aka upset, no drinks. You know, just sitting there slow, wondering why you're slow. You ain't gotta wonder. You just gotta apply everything, you know, all the tips, all the advice that people give you. You just gotta, you know.
What did you say earlier? You said they ask you why you did it.
No, they ask you why you're doing it, and then they ask you why you're doing it now, and then later on they ask you how you did it.
That's some bars right there. So now, at the beginning, they ask you why you did it, and then once you finally, make something of yourself, they ask you how you did it. But they didn't see you grinding day and night, working 7 days a week, trying to push yourself to get that clientele you had. They just want that stuff to happen overnight, which it doesn't. You gotta grind. Are you singing WAP?
7 days a week. I'm a certified
He said
free.
7 days a week, I'm a certified free.
Holy shit.
Anyways,
I'm not good for this video, bro. I swear. You can't see his face, but you know he's doing fucking.
hey, Sergio, so what's the moral of the story?
Can't fish without bait.
What, please?
Can't fish without bait.
AKA,
Peace.
Okay, don't be
oh.
Don't be triste.
So hopefully you heard more than Sergio. Hopefully you guys gathered some more information and don't go fishing without bait. But moral of the story, promote yourself, show yourself as a barber, and don't have a private account if you're a barber. Make it public. People need to see it. But other than that, boss is here grinding. Been pretty slammed today. Had a lot of appointments. Tomorrow's looking pretty decent. Fridays, we got 1 spot left. Saturdays got 3 spots left. So we're gonna get booked up. Everything is gonna fill itself up. Can't stress out the weekends because you know those are gonna get booked. But I think here pretty soon we're gonna record a reaction to 360 Jeezy's latest, what's it called? Barber's Gone Wild. So stay tuned for that. What's good, everybody? Back home, just closing out the vlog for the day. Very chill day. We were pretty busy with a lot of appointments and stuff, but we were able to film a reaction video. We didn't end up doing the 360 Jeezy video like I had said, but I'll leave a little snippet and let y'all see how it went down. Oh. Kelly Clarkson. Wait, you say I'm a 40-year-old virgin?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. They tried to do the taper.
Okay, I cut Leslie's hair, and this is where I forgot the guard, and I messed it up. If you come on this
Looks
side,
like a decent taper. Oh.
No.
I fixed it.
Fix it.
It's an undercut, bro.
Other than that, we appreciate everybody for tuning into the vlogs today. Vlogmas Day 8 in the books. Stay tuned for more vlogs coming. We're going to be vlogging all the way up until Christmas. Just stay tuned. Got a lot more videos in the chamber. That reaction video will be releasing sometime soon. Also got a haircut tutorial in the arsenal as well. So stay locked in. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Until next time. God bless.